What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title. Let's get straight into the video, y'all. $200 account challenge. Y'all read the title correctly, not clickbait. I got the details, the receipts right here. You're gonna see it on the right side of your screen for the majority of the video. This video, there's not gonna be really any trade breakdowns because I break down a lot of my trades in the previous videos. I'm gonna have some more trade breakdowns coming this week. Be on the lookout for that. But if y'all interested in like me breaking down currency pairs and stuff like that, because if you look at any of the past videos in the free signal room, first link in the description, I don't just call out metals, I don't just call out futures and indices, I call out currency pairs as well. So you'd like some breakdowns for those videos, for some of those trades, let me know, I got y'all. But this video is just to show y'all, this is really motivation, because I get this all the time. People always assume because of previous strategies and other trading styles that you need a lot of money to make money in Forex. That's not true. Now, the more money you have, obviously the more money you will make, but you do not need a lot of money to start to be successful in Forex and to flip your account. So I get this question all the time. Hey, wait, I got $100 account, only have $200. Will I be able to make a lot? Or I think I'm gonna get it funded because I only have this amount and I won't be able to make a good, income, or, this won't be a good, secondary income or a second job or anything like that. That's not true at all. That's not true at all. At least not with my strategy. Here, one of my students, literally read it, in 2 weeks, he turned $200 into over $1,000. Look right here. This is one of my accounts. I have a $200 account so I can show my students. Here you can see that I started a $200 account and in one day I made $100. So I made 50% of my account in one day. Here's another screenshot right here. I made about 40% of my account in one day. So the answer to this question, you do not need a lot to make a lot. You do not need a lot to make a decent amount, because minimum wage, let's say you're in one of the states that gives you a lot of money, minimum wage, or let's say you don't even get minimum wage. Let's just say you make $15 an hour. $15 an hour, let's do the math. What's 15 times 8? That's about what, like 120, something like that? So right here, you saw in the $200 account, I made $100. Another day, made $70. So you basically made half of what you made during your job or working your job. So now you got a secondary income. You could have made this while at work. So you just got paid the $100, and then without even getting taxed, you made half of what you would have made at work. And that's off a $200 account. Imagine it was a $400 account and then you made 50% of that. That would have been $200. Imagine if you had a $1,000 account, you would have made $500 into that. So it's honestly up to you, making sure you secure your profits once you're blue, and it's up to you to stay disciplined and you have the right strategy. Because on a personal account, you don't have those strict rules like on the prop firm account. You can risk more than 5%. And since you can risk more than 5% of your account, you can enter more trades. Now, I'm not saying enter a bunch of trades at once, because if you do that and they all don't go your way, or they're all in drawdown, you do risk over leveraging or over marginalizing and blowing your account. So I don't recommend doing that. But as you can see here during these screenshots, you can see this is a $200 account, and you can see the profit I'm making off of just a 0.04 lot size. So that's not a lot of money. That's literally 40 cents per pip. And you see I'm making $10, $20, $30. I made $100 one day. I made 50% of my account one day, 40% another day. So it's very possible. You just have to have the right strategy, gotta risk the correct amount, and then you just gotta secure those profits. That's literally it. Don't let those profits go away. Close out. Don't be scared to close out. A lot of people be hesitant to close out. You shouldn't be hesitant, because just do the math. You have a $200 account. Let's say you make it 25% of your account per day. That's $50. You make $50 a day. 50 times 30. Let's just say 50 times 20, okay? 50 times 20. That's $1,000. So every 20 days, you can make $1,000. And of course, every other week or every week at the end of the week, if you end up in profit, you can increase your lot size, thus increasing the snowball effect. Because of course, if you increase your lot size, the more money you'll make per pip, but that's also the more money you can lose per pip as well. So I highly suggest, before you up your lot size, to wait till a week or 2 weeks after you've consistently been growing your account at least 20% every day. And then from there, it's literally just, it's honestly up to you how many trades you enter, how many trades you take, how long you enter them. That's honestly all it depends on. Because you see, I have multiple trades open. I don't usually just trade one pair at a time and then do multiple entries, things like that. I might do that sometimes, but for the most part, you know, especially since at the signal room, I see a lot of opportunities. I'm gonna jump in those opportunities with proper risk, and you can see what happens. This is the results. You see, I'm refreshing the screen. You see, you guys see it. You see the deposit. You see the profit for the day. You see it in real time how this money is just growing. And this is the power of Forex. So honestly, everyone's account size is different, and everyone, the biggest mistake is you try to compare your account to other accounts. Do not do that, okay? This is your trading plan. This is your personal account. So you need to really lock in and do what's best for you. Because a lot of people are trying to keep up with the Kardashians and shit, and that's gonna fuck your account up. Seriously. So just take your time. This is your race. This is your account. This is your journey. Use other people's profits for motivation. Use my channel for motivation. Join the free signal room so you can see the results. Use that as motivation. But you know what I mean? But please do not try to make more than your account can handle, because you try to do a bigger lot size than your account can handle. Remember, the amount you make in profit, that's how much you can lose as well. I just want you guys to keep that in mind, okay? Again, I know this is a quick little video, but this was really just the motivational purposes and to show you what is possible in these markets. You do not need a lot to make a lot. Okay, it's honestly the strategy. If you're curious to the way I trade, I do have some videos explaining my style and how I enter trades and what I look for. Go ahead and check those out. And also, the free signal room, first link in the description. I send about 3 to 5 signals daily for free, from currency pairs, futures, metals, just depends on what I see. I call them out. These are all trades I'm entering personally as well. Don't want to miss out on those. You see the results on the right side of the screen. You want to see more results? I document everything on my Instagram, playmaker_way, same thing as the YouTube name. See you on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.